Question 11. The longitudinal strain and the Poisson ratio for a wire is given. We need to find out the lateral strain. So as we know, the Poisson's ratio is defined as the lateral strain divided by the longitudinal strain. So plugging in these values, Poisson's ratio is 0.5 and this is lateral strain divided by the longitudinal strain is minus 0.02 because the radius of the wire is going to reduce. So the lateral strain 0.5 into 0.02, which is 0.01. Question 12. A tuning fork makes 220 vibrations per second in air when the velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. Find the wavelength. So as we know, the frequency times the wavelength is the velocity. So the wavelength is velocity divided by the frequency, that is 330 divided by 220. This is 3 by 2 is 1.5 meters. Question 13. The depth of ocean is 5000 meter. Calculate the pressure exerted by the water at the bottom of the ocean. Given G is 10 meter per second square. So as we know from the Bernoulli's equation, pressure at bottom is pressure above plus rho times G times the depth of the ocean. So this is the atmospheric pressure is 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, plus density of water is 1000, G is 10, H is 5000. So this is 1 into 10 to the 5 plus 5 into 10 to the 7. Since the first term and the second term, they are different by 2 orders of magnitude, so you can neglect this in comparison with this number. So the result is 5 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per meter square. Question 14. A force of 6 Newton acts on a particle along the direction, making an angle 60 degrees with the particle, and its vertical component would be, so the vertical component is 6 into cos 60, which is 6 into half, that is 3 Newton. Question 15. In case of step-up transformer, which option is correct? So as we know, the transformer ratio K for a step-up transformer is greater than 1, and the transformer ratio is defined as number of turns in the secondary coil, number of turns in the primary coil, which is same as voltage at the secondary coil divided by the voltage at the primary coil, and all these ratios are greater than 1. So option 1 is incorrect, option 2 is incorrect, option 4 is incorrect. So the only correct option is option 3. The resistance of the secondary transformer is greater than the resistance of the primary transformer.